me lot and men nante the catechis is a mere so an adreno and we town dear baby or honoma at the assumbeba a bill house when I say a gen someone a do yeni and I real war and I say won't put anything me ever and it's a say a share a quiet passoir you bring and quit town dear pa say a busimu say a juma say a fear say a sorry mo baby be or my mu ninano ye here and penny say I'm brebe am about Anunti enya behwe sede be ya no enko ye ka baabi na dache ye nye dokono kwa ana asem bi a ye beka ama oja anto baabi twa kokwa me ate asese ano a edi nchine edi makoi eno a na edi hya eno aso ensan edodwumi nti na beka bi afa dialogue effective dialogue how to have a processes bit mama no ma bia akọ enkan na say ya nyan so the merit of it enhire wo mu and then the merit say ya hwe nu ya say no ma de ebeto oman ma na say busua emu na afa obi aka say busua de magyan ana ma me de o ye nsokura me nse bi nom da me nua we de etimi si awade mu na afa de ma wade ayebisi basa enu nti na ye bedwendwen ho na ya pɛ ne pamasi bre na say twa de ampon therefore say onka ye ho wo obra akwantu emu Mediana Father Emmanuel Kwabena Ifeje.
Sister Michelle Joy Atamu OSS.
And the cat kisses a merry everyone. Sister, so you are fine, dear.
Yes, very fine.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay, we are correct. Somewhere, Safi 2020 day, Shana baby.
Yes, so
I'm sure Papa one crab meeting me home. Yeah, fine. Treat one day, what's it? Okay, I like your shoe anyway.
Yes.
Okay, now. So that let's go. You share dialogue. Enkutahudie. You can say enkutahudie. Dear na enkutahudie. Na dear nso na enye enkutahudie. What is dialogue and what is not dialogue?
So dialogue, simply put, is peaceful coexistence with another.
Okay.
So oftentimes we see dialogue as something that is for people in the offices, acquaintances, or only friends. No. Dialogue is very, very important, essential in every human relationship and interaction. It has to be consistent. It has to be persistent.
Yep.
But it shouldn't be forceful. So we all need dialogue in the family, in the church, in the office, in our communities. When we reject dialogue, it's just like saying we want to reject reality. We just have to dialogue. It's like refusing medication when you are sick. Yes, we need dialogue. So we can reject dialogue passively. That is, you ignore the person. We can reject the dialogue destructively. We revenge, we retaliate, or violently. We can reject dialogue. We become aggressive. We have constructive dialogue and also parallel dialogue, like a monologue. People sometimes replace the proper dialogue with this parallel one. But the better one and the best, I would say, that is needed by each of us is the constructive dialogue.
Okay.
The constructive dialogue encourages respect, humility, peace, forgiveness, and negotiations, which is, of course, dialogue. While the parallel one fosters ego, the pride, intimidation, unnecessary publicity, and manipulation. So when there is no dialogue, it is disastrous. When there is no dialogue, the common good suffers. Individual interest, selfish interest will now be flourishing instead of something that will benefit you and benefits me. And when there is lack of dialogue, there is power tussle. Everybody wants to pursue a own and wants that a own, even if it is not the best. But that person wants, yes, there is power tussle. And then values diminishes. For example, we say murder is not wrong simply because it is unacceptable or punishable by law. We know that murder is wrong because it hurts another person. Yeah. But when there is lack of dialogue, then you see that values like that will die. evil will triumph. Where there is lack of dialogue, decency, morals will begin to crumble. So dialogue is very, very important, and there are processes for this.
Okay. Nice. Good idea. You know, you were quiet first. You come. It is a recipe. It is just a new way. Next, we see kind dear. That's a good idea. You know, and it's a nipa ba. First, you also say, dear me pet, and I was away. I was saying, so that we come to a compromise. Oh, you want this one, I also want this one. Okay, then so let's find a common ground or common good. Okay. And that's it. It's all for so no being ya some say ya busium say ya what you say baby. I make I say, Mina me penny. And I mean, I'm here, Bush, penny, and I mean, I'm here, Kunu, and I mean, I'm Musika, and I mean, I'm here, wine, Mina, Jumania Media, and to change the chair. You say, yes, sir. I was 7 at Tanase, Namudim Combo, and some will see a sem, and Penny assembly, and there's a kind of trim, assembly, they are not, and na eka. And yes, no, ye didn't quit a hono, nay a bois asum diaba, nay a boama in Shira Abba. Sabea, Asumufi Bedro, now Boaka mines when you are beating it at Tuono, and Nuntina NCC, a jet mobia, and quit our dear and so a jet mobia, and Penny say, a buffalo and pada. Sassam as a Juabua. So when you every one of my a behardine. A fear a chinsono and a bufunubia aira. O Fibia and Rano, a bufunubiaco. It's Yamwa now one and some show mubu titi womu, you know, when you come up. You know, when you come up, na intimacy say, Busiasa Sibi, say Japadibi, and you may be a course of a Jumemu and a babyano, or for a nini pantras namuni honcomo. A few way dear, it was say, Sha, a chair fear, a tremu egina, and winty and a desire, no marina, a brow, said a bear, ya number 82 or soon moon, in IBC. A fair yanshe, so no be a yasam, and I say, a BBSC, a bequana and foul so they buy it, and I say, Kakrabia befoul, a quine ben of Fasua, obesi. Semono na etu akotwere bi atwere na poma enso akotwere bi eda the second way e dinsensemu a edi ewu se na etu dinsensemu edi ewu no ye hwe se ye de bibia be sine poma sibre processes e kwa fa so na san kutenwodi no akwa sister ye nto aso.
So for the processes we have to first recognize other people's rights to be themselves and to be different. You must not make everybody to think the way you are thinking or to act the way you are acting. So we have to recognize other people's right to be different. Yeah. We have another one is, let us not make anyone insignificant or irrelevant. Everybody is important. Acknowledge the gifts and uniqueness in others. Yeah. God is so wonderful and wise that God will not deposit all the talents in one person.
Oh, no.
And nobody is an island. Sure. So acknowledge the gifts and uniqueness in others. And then encourage inclusive friendship, not exclusive. What you feel this person does not have and you have, there are things you yourself do not have, and that person has it. Yeah. So we should encourage inclusive friendship and then tolerance. No one can possess the whole truth about something or satisfy his or her own every desire. So we have to tolerate and accommodate one another. If we can be conscious of these 4 processes, then we are beginning dialogue on a very stable and fruitful ground. That is to recognize other people's rights. Do not make anyone insignificant or irrelevant. Acknowledge the gifts and uniqueness in another, in others, and encourage inclusive friendship and tolerance.
Okay. Na say you hunu say obia nko empanyi kwa ka say nyaso we ni ba ko futrim. Onye wadwen say wo nko a na betima kire bodanfo a olofo obua se ba akofo onche bodanfo ba akofo nso san ntimi kata nyame ni enti we ka bi no aka bi hema men ka bi na emma bibia eko enkan na ma man no enso etumpon enti mo bi nso kan de man kan ka sa bo anhye ne yam mo no nso ka bi say obia wo nyansa nyame ode adom no. So acknowledge the uniqueness of everybody. Obia wo de de obi no bo nanso so no ba adwuma sa ado ene carpenter ye ne ka atwa bia onya de obi nso bi a mass oya ade pa nso do English a wo boa kora ewu ho nso de a ba se yendidi a ono nso oya ade ne talent no adidi eti obi a on talent obi de anyom to obi de ya asa obi de ya ball obi de okata nya so be say drawing no kro ni ba je ho obi nso so de kasa so be say kasa kwa wo beto yam obi a wa chede nya ngomedi ama no na me konkron o de dumo bibia Colossians chapter 5 amiya hunu nyankopon adoma chede no 1 Corinthians chapter 15 12 nso amiya hunu enoma bebiri nso ntorofo obi a wo ne de mahunu se nyame e de bibia hye obi bia mu obi a sombo ntorofo se won so amanfo ma wo hu se wo sombo a ma ne haw wankasa somo ho bo se wo sombo e wo awurade emu nyankopon bo se ne suban so se ne nse so enti ehunu sa na mo nyina no ebeboa ye ama no manyina enso akonkan ama abotoyem aba ensisi enso aba na se ehunu se obia enso ewo ne right ana se obia enso wo na de a ewo ema no ana se ye ema no obia wo ne bia se ne mra eduru ofie ene obi fie enyepe de obi fie no ese obi fie ntorofo hwe se onye se tinchin ayewi ono nso ke mamenke bi no ana se o man awom no ewo nioma ewo se oye ana owon kwan se ono nso so eye usika bi nti mmeso be kasa adwuma bi ane no mapa bi ade ma obi nti wo mbese on de obeche na adwene kura da bi esa de anase ye manu ma enkoye mse Yakobon dawroma ye yesa no ma we nyina na se ye boa afoforo ne wo se obi asombo obi awa adoma chede obi a ewo ne nyansa Yakobon de ma na ye nyina ye kan bo ma beboa o ma ne betumpon me bia enso aye kama ano bebre kwa ma ba to de a enim se Yakobon wo de nsisi pa ewrewra ye mo se be a ye betima tena se asomdwe emo alafo enso tetwa ma yihwa enti ye de catechists ebesi hanamo enne se be ya ye kase no ebetimi ede ato aso ye hye mo se nyame adoma da se ne ye de aka na ebetoa maso nkomo ndi ede nanso ye die adwene da achi a ye ba hwe aso frawo ye ntwa hombra median father Emmanuel kwabna efeje many reverend sister
Michelle Joy Atamu OSS